Hi, welcome to Raw Math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on equations of lines, function notation, graphs. Okay, so here we have graphs. What we are going to do in this video is talk about how to graph a linear equation. And there are a bunch of videos and we have all sorts of different ways to write an equation of a line. First of all, I'm asking for slope and vertical intercept. When I ask for slope, I mean what number is multiplied to x. This form, y equals mx plus b, is called slope-intercept because you're given the slope and the y-intercept. So mathematicians are pretty lazy. Slope-intercept is literally named for the two numbers in the equation, the slope and the y-intercept. So the slope, m, is 2/3. I never leave a number unlabeled because then it's meaningless. I need that m equals. Just like for my vertical intercept, I'm not going to say -5, I'm going to say 0, -5. Because when x is 0, y is -5, and that's what it translates to, is what is y when x is equal to 0. So 0, -5 is my first point I'm going to graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my slope tells me rise over run. Got to get up before you can get out. And so my rise is 2, so I go up 2 blocks and over 3 blocks. Up 2 over 3. Now, I could take the slope of 2/3 and write it as -2 over -3. In this case, I don't really need the down 2, left 3 to continue my line because I feel 3 points is enough to graph a line. But I also like writing all the points of a line. So oftentimes I will go 3 points, 4 points if it's meaning I'm getting all of the points on the grid. Now, I use a ruler because lines really should be ruler straight, especially if you don't graph all the points so you can really see the different intersections, and then arrows because lines go forever. I'll have students draw by hand and then their line will curve and suddenly this will be a point on the line and that will be an answer for them, and their answer is of course wrong. And if they had just used a ruler and gone all the way out, everything would have been better. Okay, slope. Slope is -1/4. My y-intercept is 0, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, +4, -1, +4. Again, I can take -1 over +4 and it'll be a -1/4. I could do a +1 over a -4. That negative can float freely. I could do a +1 over -4. And notice my line is still going downwards. It's still a negative slope and all of my points are in a nice line. Another reason I like to plot all the points is once you start graphing 2 lines, usually one of those points will be the point of intersection, and so if you have those plotted, you're much more likely to get everything correct. All right, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!